Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to implement a system that will count coins using image processing toolbox in MATLAB. So there is a code written for the following problem statement, that is count of coins using image processing toolbox. So let's just run this file and see the output. Okay, so we get total of money 85 cents. So let's just try to understand the output. The output is basically counting the number of coins and giving us the output exactly. You can see it is showing that that coin is 10 cent, this 10, that coin is 5 cent, that coin is 10 cent, 5 cent, and there is a, and give you a total of 85 cents. So it is detecting the coin and giving you and counting the total of the money and giving you the output, that is 85 cents. So that was the output. Now let's come to the implementation part. This is the code for count of coins. So in this code we first convert the image to BW. We are using I'm to BW function to converting the image to BW. BW is basically filter. I'm to BW is the function which is basically used to convert the image to the binary filters. Inside I'm to BW function we are reading the image by using read function. Then we are giving the name of the image, that is coins.png. This image is I have downloaded from the internet. I can show you. This is the image which we have loaded in read function. In the next step we are filling the image regions and holes by using fill function. Then we are label and storing it on coin2 variable. Then we are labeling and counting the connected components by using bw label function. And in the next step we are measuring the properties of image regions. Then we are initializing the total as 0 because we need a counter to track the number of coins. Then we are showing the image. Then you can see in line 14 we are showing the image by using show function, and inside show we are using read function and giving the name of the image, that is coins.png. Then we are iterating a loop for money count based on the area of coin. So we are iterating a loop from 1 to total number of coins to count the money and displaying the result with the title total of money in cents. That's how the code was implemented and giving the output thus. Thank you for watching.